Greetings and welcome back for another Music Theory Bite. This video is the fourth in a series about singing intervals. In this video we're going to cover tritones, minor sevenths, and major sevenths. We're going to fill in the rest of the intervals up to the octave. If that sounds like something you'd like to learn more about, then keep watching. Before you view this video, make sure you take a look at some other videos in this series. First, check out my video on spelling intervals to get to know the theory behind what you're going to sing. Second, check out my video on scale degree patterns in the major mode. There's some skills introduced in that video that you'll need to be successful with this. Third, since this is singing intervals 4, you'll want to check out singing intervals 1, 2, and 3 to see how the method works. Having trouble finding those? Then I have a solution for you. Simply subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to find all those videos fairly easily. So, before we get started, a quick word about syllables. As always, I move back and forth between using scale degree numbers and solfege syllables. My examples will be labeled with both. Use the system that makes the most sense to you or the one that your teacher requires. And finally, a quick review of the process for singing intervals that's been used in singing intervals 1, 2, and 3. I call it teapots. Theory. Know the theory behind what you're going to sing. In the case of intervals, it's the component scale degrees that go into that interval. After all, if you don't know what scale degrees you're going to sing, how can you sing them? Plan consists of the last two elements, the T and the S. T stands for tonic. Know where tonic is. If you know where tonic is, you can sing just about anything. S stands for scale degrees. Know what scale degrees you're going to sing, and then sing those scale degrees. Let's start by singing the tritone. Tritones don't need to be scary. They're actually fairly simple. They consist of the scale degrees 7 up to 4, or we can flip those around, 4 up to 7. I usually recommend taking the starting pitch and treating it as 7 because I find that my students more easily can hear scale degree 7 out of nothing rather than scale degree 4. So if I have this pitch, T, I start by finding tonic, Ti, Do. I set up my key, Do, Re, Do, Mi, Re, Do, Fa, Mi, Do, Sol, Mi, Do, La, Sol, Mi, Do, Ti, Do, Ti, Do, Ti, Do, Sol, Do. And I sing my component scale degrees. Ti, Fa, tritone. Working the other direction, again, I usually recommend students start on scale degree 7. So, Sev 1. I know where tonic is. I might want to go down to the lower tonic to do my setup. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, Sev 1, Sev 1, Sev 1, 5, 1, Sev 4, tritone. Minor sevenths show up in 5 places in the major scale, between scale degrees 2 and 1, 3 and 2, 5 and 4, 6 and 5, and 7 and 6. By far, the vast majority of minor sevenths that you hear in real music consists of scale degrees 5 and 4. So that's the one I'm going to use when singing a minor seventh. So, if I'm given a starting pitch of 5, I first find tonic, 5, 1. Now that I know where tonic is, I can sing just about anything. If I need to, I'll sing the setup. I don't think I need to. I feel confident in the key. 5, 4, minor seventh. When singing down, I simply reverse the scale degrees. So if my Fa is Fa, I first sing the scale degree pattern for 4 to get back to tonic. Fa, Mi, Do. I can sing the setup if I need to. Fa, Sol, minor seventh. Major sevenths show up in 2 places in the major scale, between scale degrees 1 and 7 and scale degrees 4 and 3. The easier one to hear is going to be scale degree 1 to 7. So when singing a major 7th up, the given pitch will be tonic, scale degree 1. 1. If I need to, I can sing my setup. 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 6, 5, 3, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 7, 1, 5, 1. And I pick off my needed scale degrees. 1, 7, major 7th. When singing a major 7th down, my starting pitch is going to be T, or scale degree 7. 7, 1. I now know where tonic is. I'm going to make sure that I know where the lower tonic is, because that's what I'm going to need. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7, 1, major 7th. Let's recap. We now have all of our intervals in our toolbox, and to sing any interval we use the teapots method, which stands for theory, plan, tonic, scale degrees. When singing a tritone, we can use either scale degree 7 to 4 or 4 to 7. I usually recommend starting on scale degree 7 and then finding the 4 from there. Minor 7ths go from scale degree 5 up to scale degree 4. Of course, if we're singing those down, we go scale degree 4 down to scale degree 5. Major 7ths go from scale degree 1 to scale degree 7. Or again, if we're singing those down, we go scale degree 7 down to scale degree 4. That fills in all of our intervals up to the octave. So let's summarize all of those. If you'll take a look at the chart that's going up on your screen right now, you'll see that all of the intervals are there with their component scale degrees. Memorize the one that you will most likely use when you're asked to sing these out of context, but keep in mind the other scale degree combinations are a good thing to know, especially when you start identifying intervals. Read them from left to right when singing up, reverse those, go right to left when singing down. That's it for now. If you found this video helpful, please like. For more music theory videos, more information on everything that you're covering in your music theory class, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time.